bit more throttle, and you fast on your hands, okay? There you go. Now from this cone, I want you to start pouring on the throttle. So, yeah, more and more and more and more and more and more, and then a little bit of brake. Okay, now back to the throttle, and fast hands through here. And from here, foot right down to the floor, all the way. Floor it, floor it, floor it, floor it. And now brake. As you come in here, look out that window, okay, so you can see where you're going. Now already start unwinding the wheel, put your foot all the way to the floor and hold it till I tell you. Don't take it off. Don't brake until I tell you to brake. Don't brake, don't brake, don't brake, don't brake. Brake hard. There you go. Good job.
It's a lot more fun than the other one.
Yeah. Kind of depends on the instructor.
That was great.
Get your heart pumping a little bit.
Give the next guy a hard time, okay?
I will.
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much. My pleasure. Here's your purse.
Thank you.
You're welcome.